Hey there YouTube friends, Steve here, and today I'm doing an update video for my two Everstart jump starters that I have right here. This is the Everstart 750A. I've had it for about 3 years, and this is the Everstart Plus that I've had for about a year and a half. Now right off the bat, I can tell you both these jump starters still work, and they have saved the day many a time. Some of you know I'm a traveling musician. I play in different bands, and these have come in quite handy. There were occasions where my bandmates couldn't get their vehicle started, and both of these were able to jump start their vehicle. My drummer has a Dodge Ram, and he had a flat tire, and this little guy here filled up the entire tire, and he was able to get home. Now both of these go for about 50 bucks, and you could find them at Walmart. Certainly if you go to an auto parts store, you could get a higher end one for about 70 bucks more, but these are the ones I'm reviewing, so these are the ones I'm sticking to right now, and as I said, they both still work. Now if you were to go to Walmart and get one of these, this is the better one by far. This one has some questionable reviews. I've done videos on both of these. I'll put the links below in the description box. And if you read the comments on this jump starter, you got a lot of negative comments, and I understand why. I think they tried to get a little fancy with the compressor. You know, you're supposed to dial in how much pressure you want to put into a tire. That didn't work for me. It never did, although it did put air in the tire. And also, if you look at both of the cables here, look how much further this one opens than this one, right? That's a big difference when you're trying to clamp onto the battery terminal. So this one opens a lot wider than this one. So that's also why I would recommend the 750A. Now, you got to remember, if you're using these to fill air for a tire, these are tiny compressors. You know, these aren't like the compressors you go to the gas station and fill your tires up with air. So you don't want to run them for a long time. You know, just run it for a minute or two, give it a break, and if you need more air, put more air in the tire then. But they both do a good job of jumping vehicles. Here in Florida, if I let my vehicle sit too long and I don't run it, the heat and the sun just drain the battery down. I just take this out, hook it up, and I'm good to go right away. Now, one of the reasons this is also the better charger is because it comes with a charging cable, okay? If you buy this one, it doesn't come with the cable. And you might see some comments where people have said, wow, I didn't get a cable, how am I supposed to charge this thing? Well, you could use a regular extension cord on this if need be, but this one comes with the cable, the clamps over wider, so this is the better one, and this one has never let me down in any way, shape, or form. What else can I tell you? Now to test these, you know, you don't want to let these sit for like 2 months at a time. You got to check them every now and then. So to test these, on this one you just have a test button right here. So you press the test button, and it has 3 lights, red, yellow, and green. So right now it's yellow, it's a little low, so I'll plug this one into the wall and we'll charge it up. Now on this one over here, it has a little digital display, and I'll just press the light button right here, and this one, it has 12.7 volts. Okay, so that's pretty near capacity. So this one has a pretty good charge on it. And now bear in mind, I haven't used these in a couple of weeks. So that's you know, they're still holding their charge, no problem. But again, if you go to Walmart and you buy one of these, get this one if you can over this one. You know, with holidays coming around, they might make a good gift for your friends or your loved ones. They might look at you and say, oh, a jump starter, great. They might not be too thrilled with it, but I'll tell you, when the first time they get stuck and this comes in handy and saves the day, they'll be saying it's the greatest gift ever. Alright, so that's it for now. Hope this was informative if you plan on going out and buying a jump starter. As always, please subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.